Bitcoin SV cost commonly equivalent to $34.3443 a coin, which for the most part is very critical. The present exchange cost range, $33.860 to $34.5145, which really is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, $33.9500, or so they in a real sense thought. The change truly was plus 0.3943, plus 1.16% in a truly significant way. Opposite rate, USD to BSV, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin SV value expectation in the not-so-distant future in month and in every way that really matters, significant way. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $31.15. Lovely most extreme 33.33, sort of least 28.97 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost $31.69. Fundamentally most extreme 33.91, exceptionally least 29.47 in a really significant way. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $31.07. Really most extreme 33.24, kind of least 28.90. Bitcoin SV estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost $31.08. Beautiful greatest 33.26, for the most part least 28.90 in an unpretentious manner. In multi-week Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $31.48, especially most extreme 33.68, least 29.28, which is very critical. Bitcoin SV estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $31.63, all things considered. Greatest 33.84, kind of least 29.42, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $32.17, especially most extreme 34.42, least 29.92, which especially shows that Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $31.07, kind of greatest 33.24, exceptionally least 28.90, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin SV estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost $31.81, genuinely greatest 34.04, sort of least 29.58, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $31.70, fundamentally most extreme 33.92, certainly least 29.48, which sort of is very critical. In about 14 days Bitcoin SV gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost $32.31, lovely greatest 34.57, really least 30.05. So Bitcoin SV estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $31.63, in every practical sense, most extreme 33.84, genuinely least 29.42. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $32.24, in every practical sense, greatest 34.50, extremely least 29.98, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $32.23, especially most extreme 34.49, really least 29.97, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $31.57, genuinely most extreme 33.78, by and large least 29.36, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin SV estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost $31.04, extremely greatest 33.21, genuinely least 28.87, which by and large shows that Bitcoin SV gauge on Monday, May 8, cost $32.23, truly most extreme 34.49, certainly least 29.97 in an exceptionally significant way. In 3 weeks Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $31.88, extremely greatest 34.11, genuinely least 29.65. Bitcoin SV estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $32.35, genuinely greatest 34.61, by and large least 30.09, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $32.35, essentially greatest 34.61, truly least 30.09, pretty further appearance how Bitcoin SV estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $31.63, especially most extreme 33.84, in every practical sense, least 29.42 in a huge way. Bitcoin SV estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost $31.87, truly most extreme 34.10, certainly least 29.64, which basically is very critical. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $31.88, kind of most extreme 34.11, truly least 29.65, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month, Bitcoin SV conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost $32.26, certainly greatest 34.52, certainly least 30.00, showing that Bitcoin SV gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $31.87, extremely greatest 34.10, truly least 29.64, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $31.89, truly greatest 34.12, lovely least 29.66, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost $32.49, essentially greatest 34.76, fundamentally least 30.22 in an unpretentious way. USD to BSV conversion standard equivalent to 0.0291 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today, S-reach 0.0290-0.0295, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The past day, S-nearby 0.0295 in a genuinely enormous way. Change for now 0.0004. 1.36%, which explicitly is very huge. USD to BSV cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, so Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $32.35, most extreme 34.61, truly least 30.09. Exceptionally further appearance how Bitcoin SV estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $31.63, kind of greatest 33.84, genuinely least 29.42 in a huge way. Dollar to Bitcoin SV figure on Friday, April 21, cost 0.032 coins, most extreme 0.035, kind of least 0.030, exhibiting that Bitcoin SV conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $31.81, especially greatest 34.04, genuinely least 29.58 in a kind of huge manner. USD to BSV expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 0.032 coins, kind of greatest 0.034, in every practical sense, least 0.029, which most certainly shows that kind of opposite rate, USD to BSV in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.032 coins, for the most part greatest 0.035, extremely least 0.030 in a genuinely enormous way. USD to BSV expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.032 coins, kind of greatest 0.035, truly least 0.030, exhibiting that Bitcoin SV estimate on Monday, April 24, cost $31.69, fundamentally most extreme 33.91, exceptionally least 29.47, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin SV gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.